The USB-C to USB-C cable 15FT 2Pack is designed for situations where a standard-length USB-C cable simply isn't long enough. With two 15-foot cables included, it provides extended reach while keeping a USB-C connection on both ends. The standout feature is its USB 3.2 Gen 2 X2 specification, which supports data transfer speeds of up to 20 Gbps. That makes this cable suited to users who need fast data connectivity while working with compatible USB-C devices. For video use, the cable supports 4K resolution at 60 Hz, giving it a useful role in setups where a longer connection is needed between compatible USB-C devices and displays. The 4K at 60 Hz capability is particularly relevant for users who want high-resolution video without relying on a shorter cable. Of course, the actual video output depends on the connected devices supporting the required USB-C video features. Another important feature is 100W USB-C power delivery. This allows the cable to support high-power charging up to the stated 100W capability when paired with compatible chargers and devices. For laptops and other USB-C equipment that support 100W PD, the long cable length can make charging more convenient when the power source is positioned farther away. The 15-foot length is both a major advantage and something to consider carefully. It can be useful for desks, entertainment setups, workspaces, and other situations where extra reach matters, but it may be unnecessary if the devices are positioned close together. Since the package includes two cables, it can also be practical for setups that require more than one long USB-C connection. Overall, this 2-pack focuses on versatility, long 15-foot reach, 20 Gbps data capability, 4K at 60 Hz video support, and 100W USB-C PD. It makes the most sense for users specifically looking for a long USB-C to USB-C cable that can handle data, video, and power through a single connection, provided the connected hardware supports those capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.